Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be reviewing this palette from Makeup Revolution and Emily Noel. And I'm so excited because obviously it's a YouTuber that made this palette with Makeup Revolution. And so I'm really excited to review it for you guys. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And let's get started. Okay, you guys, so this is what the palette looks like. I got the Needs palette. It's called the Emily Edit. I think that is so beautiful. Obviously, my name's Emily, so I love how this is written. I just think it's gorgeous. And it comes in like a plasticky casing, and you have on the back here the different shades that are in the palette. So I went into Ulta to find this, and it was in one of those like tower things near the checkout for like new releases and stuff, which I almost missed it. So I'm thankful that it was right at the checkout area because I was looking for it in the Makeup Revolution aisle and could not find it, and I didn't see it on any other end cap, so it was right there in the front. The price of this is $12, but Ulta does have a 20% off coupon going on right now. Thank gosh I remembered that because I went to check out and my total was like $100 or something because I got other things for me to review. And then the lady was like, oh, this is your total. And then I was like, oh crap, I need to use like a $3.50 off 15 because that's usually the thing that they have. And then I pulled it up. I pulled it up and it was 20% off. So my total went down like crazy, like 20 bucks, you know? So make sure you're using coupons at Ulta. Anyway, this is the palette. I just took the sleeve off, or the plastic off, and then it comes in a box, and then it comes in this with plastic. This is really nicely wrapped. I like that. Ooh, it's so pretty in pink. I love that with the gold writing. The packaging is beautiful, and then on the back it just has a sticker like this, and then you open it up, and wow, you get a very nice size mirror. This is perfect for travel, and then also obviously all the different shades. Wow, oh, and it like goes all the way back. I like how the compact, see how it goes like all the way back? I really like that. Okay, anyway, so you have your blush, or no, bronzer, blush, highlight, setting powder, I believe, and then 6 different eyeshadows. So like the box said, I believe this is just her favorite shades from different Makeup Revolution stuff. I believe that's what, at least what the box said. Yeah, it says handpicked shades from her top Makeup Revolution palette. So yeah, I only picked up this one because like I said, the other one was sold out. So anyway, let's get going with this. I obviously have some stuff on my face right now. I have my brows done. Then I also spot concealed. I filmed how I've been spot concealing lately and making it look very natural, but also, you know, covered and everything. So I have spot concealer on and then a little under eye concealer, and I did set my face, but I do still want to obviously try the under eye setting powder. So this is like an amazing deal for 4 face powders and 6 eyeshadows, and I feel like if this is good, I would totally travel with this because it has everything you need right here. So I'm gonna go in first with this setting powder. This is just a Wet n Wild brush. Just looks like a nice creamy shade. I'm just gonna set my under eye with this. You could also set your eyelid, which I think I'm gonna do just to make sure shadows blend nicely on top. If I was traveling, I feel like I would still bring something to set my face makeup, but if you were in a pinch and you didn't have anything to set your face makeup or to set your eyelid, then this would totally work. And honestly, I don't really mind the size of the pan, at least for setting powder. I feel like everybody kind of uses a smaller brush like this. Okay, now for bronzer, I'm going to take the E3 from Morphe and dip my brush into this. This is a little bit harder to get my brush into, but it's not that difficult if I just kind of move it around like this. I'm going to tap off the excess. I don't know if I've ever used a Makeup Revolution bronzer, so we're going to try this. And this is in the shade Courage. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a little bit warmer, but it's still really pretty. And then these names are so cute. She just is such a genuine person, I feel like, and this just shows it. So the under eye setting powder is called Kindness. Then the bronzer is called Courage. The blush is Joy, and the highlight is called Gratitude. And the names are just so pretty. So I'm gonna keep dipping into this and do a little bit more. I feel like this needs to be brighter. Is this too bright? I feel like it was too dark, so I just brightened it up a little bit. So it's definitely a darker bronzer, so I feel like if you had super fair skin, it might not be the best for you, but I really like it. I think it's really pretty. And it's blending beautifully on the skin. Wow, this mirror is so nice. It's very clear, like crystal clear. Like I said, you guys can see this is blending really nicely. The pigmentation is nice, but it's not like crazy over the top. I was a little scared when I saw the shade of bronzer. I felt like, oh, it might be a little bit dark for me, but it's looking really nice on my skin. And I'm going to take this brush from Wet n Wild, it's just this little one, and take the shade Joy. Sorry, my voice just cracked. The shade Joy. I love this shade. It looks very like peachy and kind of matte, but also might have a little bit of a sheen to it. Ooh, baby, this is pretty. Okay, so far so good, you guys. I'm really, really, really liking that. I mean, both of these I think are stunning, honestly. And like I said, this would be a great travel palette, something that you have everything in one. Wow, this is pretty. All right, now I'm going to take this brush from Morphe. This is the M501, and I'm going to take Gratitude, which is the highlight shade right here. So all the face products are really nice. It is definitely more of a icy highlight. So if you can see that, wow, that's blinding on camera. Holy crap. I would personally like something a little bit more golden, but I really do like this. Like usually I gravitate to more golden shades, but I feel like this would be beautiful, especially in like fairer skin tones. Obviously this palette is more geared to people who are Emily's skin tone, right? So very similar to me in shade. And yeah, so if you're a darker skin tone, not all these shades are gonna suit you, but these are her favorites. It's not like supposed to be for everyone, I feel like. Okay, I'm gonna go into this Eco Tools brush. This is the Defined Crease brush. And I'm first gonna take this shade right here called Peace. This is the light brown shade. I love Luna. Luna! Wow, this is a beautiful, like, subtle brown shade that I feel like is going to be perfect for transition. It's blending nicely. Yes, it is blending beautifully. Now I'm going to take the shade Faith right here. It's just a little bit of a deeper brown. And I'm going to take this on the outer part of the eye and start bringing it in. Wow, this is... Okay, effortless blend. Okay, what? Are you guys seeing that? Like, that is blending beautifully. Holy crap, how is this so cheap? Oh my gosh, you guys. This is blending better than some of my high-end shadows. Like, okay. I honestly kind of want to take a little bit of Honesty, which is like a... I don't even know how to describe it. Like a not even mauve-y, like a pink mixed with a peach. I don't know. It's really pretty. So I'm going to take this brush from Morphe. This is the M433. Take a little bit of Honesty and just put it in the outer part of the eye. Just to get a little pop of pink, you know? This is nice because you can use this to like even warm it up more, make it look a little bit more fall or orangey and stuff. It's really nice. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Hope right here, which is a dark brown, which I love shades like this. Like this palette is honestly my cup of tea. So I'm going to kind of place it and then start to blend. Hoping that this blends really well because these are the shades I feel like are the hardest that sometimes don't blend as well. But so far, so good. I really like these two because they're not super powdery. They're like, there's obviously a little bit of kick up, but I'm not having fallout. Okay, next I'm just going to take a little pencil brush. This one's from Essence. And take the shade Faith and just run it along the lower lash line. And then take a little bit of Hope as well and run it down there. I think I'm going to keep this all matte. So I'm just going to take this one right here, which is Love, on my finger and just pat this on the lid. I just want something more fall-esque, you know? Just a little bit more matte. I like this because it's not a super stark white shade for the lid. It's just something that would kind of blend with your skin tone. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with my makeup. Just before we get started with the final review, I have on my lips the CoverGirl Exhibitionist lipstick in the shade Caramel Kiss, and then the Champagne Glam lip gloss from e.l.f. I always get questions about what's on my lips, so I thought I would let you know. Okay you guys, I feel like from my reactions you can tell I love this palette so freaking much, you guys. This is perfect for travel. If you're someone who travels a lot, who needs a mirror when you do your makeup, this is the perfect size mirror. It also has everything you need in this. I feel like the pans are pretty easy to get into because they're not next to each other, you know what I mean? So these ones are really, really nice. The shadows blended beautifully. You can get a really nice eye look like this. You could get something super dramatic. You can do a lot with these shadows. And then also you could put this shimmery highlight shade on the lid as well. So I really enjoy this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's only $12 with the discount at Ulta, so make sure you go pick it up. It is selling out fast. I don't know if this is like around for a little while or if it's gone when it sells out, so I would highly recommend picking it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed filming this video. If you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.